Want to know how I made $10,000 in 60 days with zero ads, sponsorships, or a big audience? I almost didn't share this because honestly, it's too easy. But if you're a small creator tired of relying on YouTube's algorithm to pay your bills, this is your cheat code. Look, we all know YouTube ad revenue is a grind. On average, YouTube pays $3 to $7 per 1K views. To hit $50,000 in a year, you would need millions of views monthly. For most small creators, that's just not realistic. So, what's the solution? You need another income stream. Instead of trading time for pennies, I flipped the script by selling one simple digital product. And trust me, you don't need to be an expert or have a huge following to start making money on YouTube. You need leverage. Here is exactly what I did. Step 1. Find the template gap. I didn't create random templates. I browsed through my audience comments to see which videos got the most comments like, "How did you do that? Can you show me how you did it? Or can you teach me?" Turns out, my audience loved my Canva video tutorials. Bingo! I turned those tutorials into drag-and-drop Canva templates for them to create YouTube videos with less effort. Step 2. Show how you do it. You don't need to be an expert. Start simple. It could be thumbnails, YouTube shorts, or Instagram post templates. Show your audience your step-by-step process of how you create the templates. The best part is, you will not only earn from ads on your videos, but also use your videos as lead funnels, driving traffic to your digital products. Personally, I find the process to be very easy and simple. What I do is to screen record myself editing these video templates using DemoCreator. DemoCreator is a screen recorder with post-editing features. Best for demos, tutorials, and online tutoring. I will show you how to use it in a few seconds. But first, let me share a secret with you. If you can make tutorial videos that show people how to do stuff, you have made a very wise decision. Your videos may not go viral, but they are evergreen. They will keep receiving views for years because people search for how to do stuff every day on the internet. Honestly, this is the best revenue system you can create for yourself as a small channel. Now, before I show you where and how I sell these templates, let's create this thumbnail template, for example, using Canva. First, let's set the DemoCreator app. Step 1. Download and install Wondershare DemoCreator on your computer. Once it's installed, launch the program, and you will see a clean, user-friendly interface. Step 2. Click on the video recorder option. You will see this menu bar. Here, choose Screen. This second icon is where you can select the size of your recording screen. For this example, let's go with the YouTube size 16:9 for a full screen capture. Here are a few features that will help you do excellent work. The teleprompter. Here, you can type your script, paste it, or import so you can read your script as you record your screen. Under Settings, you can tweak the font size, align the text, and adjust the teleprompter's scrolling speed to match your speaking pace. Hit the play button for a quick preview. There's an AI button to polish your script. Here, you can turn on your webcam if you want to record yourself while presenting. Here, you may decide to record the audio from your PC or not. When you're ready, hit the big red record button, and you're off. We are going to create a monetizable thumbnail template. First, open Canva and click on Templates. Enter your search keyword, which in this case, thumbnail template. Go through the suggested templates and choose what resonates with your audience. I will choose this. Customize this template. I'm going to make a few changes to this thumbnail. I will replace these, and these. And finally, I will change this image. Let's add text. Change the color and the title. It will be fine here at the top. Play around the font type, choose your preferred font. I think I'm okay with this. Here will represent before. This other side will represent after. Next, let's replace this image. Go to the Element tab and search for Happy Boss under Photos. This will be attending catching. Let's remove the background. Crop the length from below. Use the flip horizontal feature to make it face right. Scale it up. Right-click, go to Layers and bring it to the front. Next, go to Edit at the top. Scroll down to Shadows. Choose Backdrop and adjust everything to around 50. When that is done, go to Share at the top right corner. Choose See All and click on Template Link. Create Template Link. The link is ready. Copy the link. Now you have a monetizable thumbnail template. But wait, let me ask, if you were to pay for this thumbnail template, how much do you think will be fair enough? Share your thoughts in the comments. Now we are done recording the video. Next is to edit. With DemoCreator, you can start editing your video instantly when you are done recording. Select Advanced Editing and choose your preferred settings. your recording will show up on the editing interface. This is the audio that comes with the recorded file, but we don't need it for this video. Here is the cursor effect. You can make changes to its appearance here. It's very useful when emphasizing important points. You can change the color, the opacity, and the size of the highlighted area. Click on the yellow area on the playhead to cut out the part of the video you don't want. You can easily add pan and zoom presets to your video from here. Just drag and drop where you want to zoom. If you right-click on the preset, you will be able to adjust the area you want to zoom. When your video is ready, click the pen icon to name your project and do other settings. After that, click the Export button in the editor's top right corner. Choose your file format and select a destination folder. Once you hit Export, your video will be in your folder in a few seconds. Check the link to DemoCreator in the description. Give it a try and let me know what you think. Next is to set up your marketplace and paste your template link in your video description and pinned comment. Personally, I prefer Gumroad or using System.io for email marketing. If you would like me to make a separate video to show you how to set up these platforms to sell your digital product, give me a high five emoji and the video will be ready in a few days. Until then, have a creative day.